Introducing Stellana Power, a solid rubber tire that has been engineered for the most aggressive material handling applications, such as 24-hour warehouse operations and continuously running forklift applications. Stellana Power features unique 3-layer construction, giving it superior traction and wear resistance, along with a wider profile that offers increased lateral stability. The 3-layer construction consists of an aggressive outer tread pattern that reduces chunking and tearing in both indoor and outdoor applications. A cushion layer within its core to ensure low rolling resistance and heat buildup, and a reinforced steel bead hard base that gives added strength, flexibility and prevents spinning on the rim. Increase workflow safety with better stability and cornering, and reduce loss and downtime with a high-performance reliable tire that will boost your bottom line. Available in both standard and lock types in both black and non-marking models. So add value and peace of mind to your business operations with Stellana Power.